Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasyTalk English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. It is wonderful to have you here today.
Today's topic is very important, especially if you use English at work every day.
Yes, many English learners feel nervous in meetings, interviews, and workplace conversations.
Sometimes people know English grammar, but when it's time to speak, they freeze.
And that is completely normal. You are not alone.
So today, we are going to practice real English for daily work situations in a simple and natural way.
We will help you sound more confident, more professional, and more comfortable in everyday English conversations at work.
And don't worry, you do not need perfect English.
You just need clear communication and simple confidence.
So let's start and practice together. Imagine you arrive at work in the morning.
The first thing you do is greet your colleagues.
Simple English, good morning.
Or better, good morning, how are you?
Small sentence, big impact.
Now you sit at your desk.
A colleague comes and asks for help.
What do you say?
Yes, I can help you.
Perfect, simple, and polite.
What if you need help?
Don't shout.
I used to do that.
You say, excuse me, can you help me please?
Much better.
During the day, you might talk to your boss.
That always feels serious.
Keep it simple. Good morning. I finished the task. I have a question.
Short English equal professional English. What about small talk?
Very easy. How's your day going?
Or how is work today?
Exactly. If you make a mistake,
That happens every day.
say, I'm sorry I made a mistake. I will fix it.
No stress. What about emails or messages?
Keep them short. Done. Please check. Thank you.
Wow, simple English works best.
End of the day.
Finally,
Say, goodbye, see you tomorrow.
that's it.
Yes,
So work English is just small sentences.
exactly, not long speeches.
I like that.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Practice this daily, and your English will improve fast.
And you will feel confident at work.
Easy Talk English style.
Exactly.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And comment, what English do you use at work?
We read all comments.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.